Hi guys, welcome to my channel. Today's video is about taking an holistic approach to buying art materials. This video is ideal for beginner artists or people who haven't created art for some time and they're getting back into it. My name is Carol and this is my art channel, Carol's Art Oasis, a place to come to find relaxing art activity and express yourself and be creative while being calm and relaxed at the same time. Now, let's get started. So, I have chosen to look at buying art materials in a more holistic way. Many channels touch on this in some ways, in mentioning being more conscious about where your materials come from, whether they're environmentally conscious and things like that. So we're going to come at it from that same angle, but we're going to also add in what's important to you, the creator. So I have some questions for you guys to ask yourself. The first one is, okay, what kind of art or art materials am I drawn to? So when you think about making art, what kind of materials do you see yourself using? Do you see yourself painting, drawing, making sculptures, maybe making videos? Whatever you're creatively drawn to, maybe you see yourself making collages. The next question is, also in the same vein, what kind of art do I see myself making? The next question is, why do I want to create? Why do I want to make art? The next question is, what has stopped me for this time in making art? The next question is, what will making art bring into my life? What will making art bring into your life? So for some people, they may be still in a lockdown as we are here in Ireland. So they may think, maybe for them it's a way of being calm and doing something interesting that they've always wanted to try. And now during this time, they have that extra time to try it. So it's vital for them to kind of take their time and try this art after a long break. For others, it may be that it's something they've always wanted to do and they're just saying, okay, I'm going to start anyway. So there's many reasons as there can be for restarting art. So maybe then you want to look at, then you're thought about the kind of art you're drawn to, the kind of materials you might like, or the kind of artists that you like now, and why you want to do it. And the next thing you might want to consider is, what art materials do what? So I'm going to show you some examples. So this one here is gouache and pen, but it also has some ink on it where the gold figure is painted in the middle. This next one is the same. It has gouache. It is a gouache painting, so that's fully gouache. This one then is watercolor and pen. So this one is watercolor, but it has a print in the middle, but it is a watercolor with salt on it. And this one too is a watercolor. So there you go. That's a kind of an idea of what some art materials do. I'd love to hear in the comments why about the kinds of art materials that you're drawn to, so that I can make a video about those art materials to help you along your way. So please leave in the comments, what kind of art materials or art are you drawn to that you want to know about? So now at the end of that, we can look and see that, maybe at the end you've thought, I really want to get some watercolors. And maybe you want to think about, now you might want to consider your values. How can you find a watercolor brand that will this is an example now, but please, when you leave your comments below, I will do more in-depth videos of the ones you want to know. So you might want to consider then, okay, so I want to learn to do watercolors or buy some watercolors to get started. So then you want to start by thinking about the values you want from the watercolors that you pick. Are you looking for a vegan brand? Are you looking for an eco-friendly brand? Are you looking for a brand that's cost effective, that is a low budget for you? Are you just looking for watercolors you can test so that you can try the medium? So it's just to take a moment and to see what you want. If you're looking for something you can test, it's better not to go for something too expensive. But if you're looking for a brand that's more conscious, well then maybe you'll have to do more research on the kind of brands that you would like to see. And of course, if you want a video about something like that, please let me know and I will do one. So that's basically it. Once you have done your research and picked a brand that fits in with your values, then you can go about the job of actually purchasing the art materials. So that's basically it, how you buy art materials to begin with. I am going to do, like I said, more in-depth video about the process of, which art brands and art materials do what. But this is a starter video, so I hope you've enjoyed it. Thank you guys for watching. As always, please remember to like and subscribe, and please remember to leave in the comments what art you are drawn to, so that I can do a video about the kinds of art materials that will help you with that. That's all for today. Have a really great day. Bye for now. Bye.